All right, I know you read the title. So before we get into, the actual footage, the real footage of what happened, I just want to give a little backstory because the footage is recorded, but I was more focused on, solving the problem than actually getting the footage. So I went to Walmart on a Friday. I purchased, I purchased 3 TVs, a 55-inch and like 2 43-inch TVs, right? So I didn't open the TVs though until Monday. So on Monday, get here, I got an Airbnb, right? I'm trying to, this is the last part, put the TVs in Airbnb. Everybody know that's like, the last part, we finna go action, go live. So I got these 3 TVs on Monday. I got the mounts, put them on the wall. I put the TV up, the whole TV up, right? Got ready to look for the remote. Got the remote, look in the back, put the HDMI cord from the Roku stick. And guess what? There's no insides to these TVs. They were light. I didn't realize it though, but the 2 43-inch TVs had nothing in them. They didn't have no plug to plug it in. They was just empty. The 55-inch TV, perfectly fine, just like it's supposed to be. So I'm like, what in the world is going on? 2 43-inch TVs, no insides, nowhere to plug the HDMI cord, right? So what I did was I was like, all right, put them back in the box. Let's take them back to Walmart. I get to Walmart, right? And I go to customer service and I tell them, hey, these TVs, both of these TVs are, don't have nowhere to plug in. So customer service already looking at me like something's fishy, what is going on? I'm like, bought these TVs on Friday, try to take them out today. They ain't nowhere to plug the HDMI cord. There's no inserts, nothing inside these TVs. They're like demo TVs, right? So take them back. The lady, they still looking suspicious now, but I went and got 2 more TVs. So I was like, maybe these just bad TVs. Let me go get 2 different ones. I go get them TVs, right? Come back to the front counter. They swap them out. Boom, boom, boom. Leave, right? Get to the house. Take them out. Let me check. What? These TVs don't have no insides either. Nowhere to put HDMI cord. Nothing, right? No, they can't turn it on. Ain't no buttons on it. It's just holes. Like, I don't know, right? Fake TVs. So immediately, I already knew, all right, this is not good. This is not good. This is not good because now I got to take these TVs back. Just purchase them, but I took them back. I purchased them and took them right back within like maybe 30 minutes to an hour, right? So I get back to the store. I tell the lady, I say, these TVs the same way. She say, oh, no. I'm not dealing with it. I'm not dealing with it. I'm like, what? So I know this not sounding good. It's not looking good either on my part, right? Young black man. He got 4 TVs, no insides, right? So I take them back to the cash register. I tell the lady, no way. I've been here 50 years. No way, never seen this. So I say, I don't know. Like she said, oh, you can't return these. Everything's not in it. That's why I'm returning it, because everything's not in it, right? So then she called supervisor, boom, 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 whatever. And long story short, you're going to see this video, but basically I was there maybe an hour because they were trying to say I were damaging the TVs and bringing them back. Like I was taking the insides out and taking TV. But the supervisor, the store manager, came out and told me verbatim, no way, dude. No way. Not going for it. Nope. So that's when you see he say, well, I'm going to go check the rest of the TVs. I should have followed him, but I didn't. But he was definitely not a straight up man, because he went back there and noticed all the TVs were empty. Instead of coming back and apologize, he ran like a little bee. But yeah, check out the video. Definitely Walmart owed me because they accused me of breaking and stealing the TVs. And as you can see, he didn't come back and tell me, I'm sorry. Hey, my bad for accusing you of this. All the TVs are no good. But hey, that's life. Check it out. So here at Walmart, buying TVs. Check this out. 2 TVs, no good. No insides in them or nothing. They think I'm messing up TVs. This is crazy. Ain't it? I wonder, can we get a lawsuit?
Why he look at the damn TV?
Yeah. That's why that lady was acting like that. She was like, oh, I'm not dealing with it. Crazy, bro. It's crazy. I bought new TVs. Get home, there's no inside to the TV. 30 minutes ago.
That's what he was just saying to me, that they were doing that. Like,
Yeah,
people are ripping them off.
So I'm switching these cars more, but they thinking I'm taking inside.
No.
No, they have to, because so many people.
No, he got home and said the inside of the TV was done. So
Oh, yeah.
There's no inside.
Yeah, no, that's what people are doing.
people are doing that. He was inside.
Like, it's nothing to floor.
Yeah, you gotta go and it's done.
Yeah.
And then they're getting home and there's like blocks of just wood.
But
in
it's a
there.
different TV. I was trying to get them.
Yeah.
Listen.
You're like,
Yeah,
I didn't
what
do
was it, the one thing, they had a truckload of Gain fabric softener. It was all over the water.
Yeah, but the manager looking like I went on that fast.
Nah, you wouldn't have been able to do that.
If you go to 5 or 6 different stores and try the same thing, then they know they got you.
Yeah, no, you didn't do anything. You didn't.
No, but a lot of.
I never thought I'd be in this situation, but Walmart done it. At Walmart, they got bad TVs, and they think it.
Did you hear Angel? I didn't get. Did you hear Angel? I got raspberry. About blueberry. The TV.
Oh no, not like TV.
Blueberry and Reese's.
Not about the TV.
He said something, but I didn't copy what he said. Angel, what did you say about the TVs?
Nah.
Yeah.
He probably embarrassed to see all the TVs like that now. Looking crazy.
That's the bottom piece.
Nah, I'm just trying to get 2 TVs.
I know.
You gonna go to the car? Go and get you some beer. Go to the car. My dad on the way up. Crazy. The dude accused of stealing, now he hired. Can't even find the guy. So let's see if I can get out of here now. It's crazy, right? Oh, that's her right there. How you doing, man? Yep. Boy. Hey, you just witnessed it all, right? Ellis, what was that?
That was calling you a thief?
Bruh, they thought I was stealing the TVs. And I still supported them bitches because I don't feel like going nowhere else to get the TVs, you know? That's sad, ain't it? That's how you know Walmart good. You still got to buy for when you don't like them. Whew. Look, we'll move your life. Damn. But yeah, man, that was crazy. All the Roku TVs, they were no good. No insides in it like demos. So I switched up and got You see, I opened the box earlier and checked them. Crazy.
I never experienced this many.
North Beach to Palm Beach Gardens. We know our community because we live here too. Today's R&B throwbacks. It's official. It's official. X1023.